Hey love bugs, welcome back to the channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we'll be slaying another beautiful lace wig. Now I love it when we do color on this channel and we execute it effortlessly. This one, in my opinion, goes so beautiful with my complexion and I'm absolutely exciting. So I'm going to show you how I execute this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's jump right into the video. Okay, let's get started on today's install. As I mentioned, this one comes courtesy of Jurrlyshe. We're adding a little bit of color and curl to our life today. They also included a little goodie bag in there full of free gifts, which we love to see it. This is a look at the inside construction of the cap. It feels like the wig is gonna fit snug. The lace feels nice and soft and bouncy. I like a good stretchy lace because that means it's gonna melt and lace so good. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like on. This is the perfect canvas to slay. So I think today we're gonna go with our liquid gold as our adhesive of choice.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life-bilder, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda dig, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fill me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds, big was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself.
Okay girls, so I went ahead and secured the lace, bonded it down, all of that. We added a little bit of baby hair. You guys seen I switched back and forth between two different products for my baby hair. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the actual length of the hair. Now I told you we're gonna use this iron from T3 today. Not my favorite, just because I feel like, you guys know I'm not a pro or expert with curls, and I feel like with this one my curls never hold. So as we always say, practice makes perfect. I know a lot of stylists who use that one, so it has to be great. I think it's just me. So I'm going to do some large curls all around, again, because I want to practice my curls. Holidays are coming up, and I really, by the time like we take family holiday pictures this year, I just want to make sure my curls is fleeky for my pictures.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah, in the stove, on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple bands on my own. Now all they wanna do is pay for it. They don't wanna see me get money, and they don't want nothing to do with peace. I jump up in that whip, they call police. I'm driving, yeah, I'm speeding on the leash. Yeah, oh Lord, way to go. Agents on my phone, we be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah.
Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, can you keep up with my tempo? Yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah.
As you guys can see, I did some beautiful baby hair here, and I allowed that to set, and that's the perfect thing about wearing that wig band. I feel like a lot of the times, you know, you walk away from doing your hair, you get distracted, or even if your hair is already done, you just stop, you know, like sit down, watch TV and all that. Wearing that wig band is going to keep your hairline super snatched. So I feel like I don't want to take out the curls or drop them until we are completely done with the look. So we're going to do the powder and concealer really quickly. Got a little brush. And you guys can see how the parting looks. It kind of almost blends in with the actual hair color because the hair is so light and they didn't do a dark root. I kind of like it sometimes not to have that dark root. I don't want to be so cliche every time, you know, and always do a dark root. This one looks perfect without. I feel like if they would have done a dark root, it wouldn't have like matched or blend in with the look of this wig anyways. But you want to have a parting there. You want to kind of break it up so it looks, it doesn't look too wiggy. If you don't want to add concealer, go ahead and tint the lace. I personally find that whenever I tint the lace, I still will probably go back in and add either powder or concealer, just pretty much out of habit and wanting to perfect the look. Now you can be choosy with the product that you use. I personally find that the Fenty concealer is the perfect consistency. I'm using 420.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you. My baby, you know, right with you.
And you guys can see how that hairline disappeared. Okay, so I'm gonna step off of camera and go ahead and do my makeup. Okay, love bugs, I am finished with this look. My hair is done and looking good, right? This is the ends of it. I really like this wig. You guys know I've worked with Jurrlyshe a couple of times before. They did include some goodies in the bag or the box. It's just this mesh bag here, and inside you have a baby hair brush, wig caps, lashes, which these are really jazzy and nice. And also they gave some like really nice crystal rhinestone earrings, super pretty and jazzy. Now the hairstyle itself, as I mentioned, did not come with a dark root, which I kind of like. I feel like a dark root with this one would have devalued the hair and just made it look a little bit more cheesy and cheap, if you will, because it really would not have flown or flew with this hairstyle. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go here. I'm Ashley Bedeck if you are tuning in for the first time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like, subscribe, all that jazz, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!
My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord.